we have our two sizes of chops. We got the 8-ounce and the 4-ounce. Both of them are 145 degrees internal temperature. And all we need to do now is to mark the outside, right? The size of the chop or whatever you're doing really doesn't matter because it's all going to the same endpoint temperature. So roughly 142, right? So our chops are out. We've completed the Sous Vide program. Both the smaller chops and the larger ones are roughly about the same temperature. If you remember, we did 142 Sous Vide, so they're running about 140, 141. And it took about 45 minutes, all of these, to get to the same temperature. I'm just going to dab a little bit of the water or moisture from the outside. I'm going to salt and pepper both sides, throw it on the grill, 2 minutes max, whatever it takes to get the nice grill marks. You want to get those nice, beautiful grill marks.